Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to this amazing channel. So in today's video I'm going to be carrying you along as we're going to harvest this coconut. So if this is a video you would love to watch, please continue watching. And if you just stumbled onto this video, give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up. For my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you guys for always stopping by. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. The process is very tedious. You can see our dad up there trying to bring down the coconut. The size of this coconut is going to amuse you. Okay. You can view it. I know you can see the size. You're going to be surprised. Okay, keep watching this video, and please guys, do not forget to share this video to your loved ones. If you can share this video, and if you enjoy watching vlogs from the village, share this video for more uploads. Okay. See how big it is. Okay, we notice it. What bag na kali do? So guys, I was able So guys, you can see how big the coconut is. It is very big and sweet. We enjoyed it. Okay, continue watching this video as I take you step by step process on how we harvested it and everything. Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow, you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. So, guys, I was able. Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow, you really don't know. Na ukwu obere ọrụ aha gị ga-asazi ahụ mgbe aka ghọtara ha gị. So guys, this is the coconut. We got enough water from this coconut. Enough water. So if you're a lover of coconut water, just drink it from your screen, okay? So we're going to enjoy this coconut with our abacha. If you have not watched that video on how I prepared that abacha, please go and watch the video. I'm going to put the link of that particular video in the description box, okay? You can see the water, very big, and it was sweet. We enjoyed it, okay? Thank you guys, as we have come to the end of this vlog. I know you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.